Build for your friends, for your company, for sports fans, for gamers, for the world. Welcome to Bravo Studio. We're here to turn your ideas into a reality, at least the part that involves a mobile app. Bravo is a bring-your-own design and backend app builder that allows you to connect a backend of your choosing to a free-form design to create custom native mobile apps. With this, dare we say, the possibility is endless. How do you build an app with Bravo? Take an app design in Figma or Adobe XD, Bravorize it by adding Bravo tags, create an app project in Bravo, create an API collection with API requests that communicate with one or more backends. Connect your API requests and endpoints to your app design to populate your app with real data and functionalities. Connect any integrations available in Bravo, such as OAuth login or Stripe. Test the native app in Bravo Vision until you get everything working as you want it. Let others test your app through Bravo Vision, direct app install for Android, or test flight for iOS. Publish and share your app with the world in the App Store and Google Play. With Bravo, you can break out of the rigid templates and drag-and-drop builders and create custom UI elements that are automatically fitted to every mobile device screen. You can build an app on top of your existing website, database, or a custom backend, plus the performance and device integrations of a native mobile app. And you can do all of this with a fraction of the cost and speed compared to coding from scratch. What do you need to start building? Figma or Adobe XD to design and Bravorize. One or multiple databases or APIs, we can help you choose. And of course, Bravo to connect everything. Let's get started.